Hey, it's the Killer Rich 51 back again with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at the PowMo Expandable Wireless Speaker. You can pick it up on Amazon. Links are in the description. The price, 80 bucks. So you get two colors to choose from. You get graphite or snow. So let's go over the features to write on the box. So it says universal mount and wallet. Over here it says stick anywhere, pop up on a table, attached to a fridge, mount to a wall, click on your phone, fit in a pocket, much more. And right here it says pop up power. It says expand your huge bass in louder, cleaner sound that gets the party popping anywhere. And it says stereo sync. It says two PowMo speakers can sync together in stereo to boost, amplify, and audio and immerse. So let's see what we get inside. So let me go ahead and get a knife here. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut this right here. Okay, boom. So then it says unite we expand. Okay, so here is the speaker. So let's see how we take this out here. Okay, so let's put this box to the side. So here is the speaker. Whoa. Okay, so here's the speaker, and then what else you get is a USB-C to USB-A. So that's all we get in the box. Okay, so let's just set that there. And then of course you get the wallet. So you get a universal wallet, as you can see here. So it's pretty cool. So if you have any money or anything or cards, you can slide it into here, which is pretty cool. And then you get the universal mounts. So if you don't want to, if you want to stick this to your phone, you can, which is pretty cool. And so yeah. So now let's go ahead and put these two to the side. Okay, so here's the speaker. It has a heavy weight to it, which is pretty cool. Okay, so here's your USB-C port, and then your Bluetooth button, and then your power button. And so yeah, so I'm gonna grab a phone and set this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back now. So I got everything all set up. So all you have to do is just press the power button, and then press the Bluetooth button, and then go to your phone's Bluetooth menu and select the PowMo. So let's go ahead and see how this sounds. Alright, let's switch up the music. Alright, on a scale of 1 to 10, I give this speaker a 10, fresh out of the box. And so yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unboxing. If you guys did, give this video a big thumbs up. Helps me out on this channel. Make sure to follow me on all my social medias. Links are in the description. And if you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Also turn on that bell notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.